Hello everyone. Today we are going to present you Elcoat spray gun system, the Sigma Plus series. It is quite simple to start working with this machine as it is fully assembled and you just need to follow some easy steps to connect the wires, houses, and connections. There is a filter mounted on the body of the machine to reduce the humidity and impurities like oil of the inlet air. It is necessary to protect the performance of the whole machine, but it is much better to use water trap equipment to enhance the quality of main air. This is the main air inlet fitting. Using a hose of 8 mm diameter, we connect the hose. The main air enters the filter where there are two outlets. One of them goes to the back of the control unit. Each house has a label to make sure you are connecting all houses correctly. You can find an air spray in the packing box with other spare parts. You connect the air spray as shown to the second outlet of the filter on the column of the machine. It is used to clean the spray gun, the powder hopper, and other things. In the hopper, there is a powder tube, which is used to transfer the powder from the hopper to the gun and powder injector. To install this tube, we fasten the nut as it is shown. The powder injector with two houses in two different colors. You just need to fix the powder injector in its place. The houses are connected to the fittings at the back of the control panel. One of the houses is for powder transfer and the other for airflow. Just make sure not to make the mistake in connecting the houses to the wrong fitting, which causes problem. Before plugging in, use the earth wiring to the panel as it is shown. The other side of the wire is connected to the hopper and the other one is connected to the powder booth. Now we connect the fluidized air house to its position at the back of the control panel. The other side of this house is found at the end of the hopper, where you connect it at the bottom of the hopper. Now it's time to connect the air mover. This house is connected to the air mover on the hopper. Through a pipe, the powder dust is transferred to the powder booth to keep the environment clean. On front control panel, you can see 4 manometers and regulators with specific tasks. The first set of manometers and regulators is to control the powder flow. You can set the changes and then lock the regulator by pressing it. The second one is for airflow for gun. You can adjust these parameters while working with gun. The third one is for cleaning air of the gun head. This should always be closed, and it is not used while powder spraying. After finishing the powder coating, you can open this regulator to clean the head of the gun. The last pair is fluidizing air. You have to set the fluidizing air so the dust doesn't come out of the hopper and you have a uniform fluidization to ensure the smooth flow of powder and air mixture to the head of the gun. Remove the gun from the box. Put it on the gun holder. Plug in the gun socket as it is shown. Tighten it in its place. Connect the cleaning air house in its place. The powder house is installed on the house fitting of powder injector. Now plug in the electrical socket and fasten the bolt firmly by a screwdriver. We have provided the system with 4 fuses of 3 amperes, half amperes, and 1 ampere. You can find a pack of spare parts with user's manual in the box, including deflectors, house fittings. Now, after final check, you can turn the system on. Once again, we recommend that you read the instruction manual carefully. The system is turned on like this. The digital panel on the panel shows the voltage and electrical current and can be changed by the keys on the panel. As you press the gun trigger, you can set the voltage and the electrical current according to the part you are going to coat. This system is supported by 1 year of guarantee and 10 years of after-sales service. Don't try to fix any technical problem by removing the guarantee label, which will terminate the guarantee period. The system should not be manipulated by unauthorized people. If any problem occurs, please contact our representative or the head office. It is also possible to replace the hopper with vibrator where color change is inevitable. We put the fluidizing pipe inside the powder box. We install the powder injector on fluidizing pipe. There is a fitting at the top of the pipe where you connect the fluidizing house to it. The air is entered the powder through this pipe. The vibration beneath the powder box helps the powder to become fluid, and it is transferred through the pipe to the gun. The only difference is we block the air mover fitting as we don't use hopper. Thanks for your attention.